In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do forget password on Piggyvest app. So once you open your Piggyvest app like this and you already forget your password, you're going to see this page just like this, just like a new app. And if your own is not showing like this, you have to delete that Piggyvest app and download another one so that you'll be able to see the page like this. Then the next thing you're going to do, just click on log in. Don't click on create account. Then right here you can see forgot your password. Click here, just click here. Then they're gonna ask you for your email. Provide your Piggyvest email down here. Then gonna send you a new code to verify that you actually own the account. So once you do that, you can see send instruction how to go about it. So they're gonna send you some instruction on what to do. Then once you provide all the details accurately, you're gonna reset your password for you on your Piggyvest account. So the new password you actually get will be the one that you will use to log into your account. So once you get the new password and you reset everything right, then you can click on login again. Then put in your phone number as it was stated right here. Once you put in the phone number, then you can click on next. Then you will be able to provide that password that you just created, and then you'll be able to log into your Piggyvest account without any issue.